Hello everyone and welcome to a quick Opera tutorial. In today's video I want to show you how to clear the cache in Opera. This is actually quite simple. First of all, I open Opera and here I am on my personal start page. Now I click on the three bars at the top right and go all the way down until I reach Go to Full Browser Settings. Alternatively, you can also click on the small cogwheel at the bottom left. In the settings, I stay in the Basic tab and select Clear Browsing Data. I now check the box next to Cached Images and Files and select the time period. All time is suitable for me here. Now I click on Clear Data and this way I have cleared the cache. And that's all you need to know. I hope you enjoyed the video and I will see you again in the next tutorial. Until then, your tutorial guy. Bye.